I'm going to use this as my stand. So I'm building a stand for this saw that'll have supports on the side to hold longer pipes and things like that, because I'm always cutting pretty big stuff. God almighty, that is like butter, guys. Guys, I received this from Vivor. It's their automatic darkening helmet, welding helmet. You could use it as a shield if you want as well. This helmet is really a pretty cool helmet. You can attach GoPro camera to this helmet. Use it that way. Here's the attachment, so you can attach this to your helmet wherever you want. Normally it's going to go right here on the side. I'm not going to use that right now. You get extra lenses, filters, and stuff like that. So we're going to work with this, see how it turns out, let you know. All right. Guys, I'll be using my Miller-Matic. This is a 130 XP 115 volt wire welder. I have the tanks for argon and stuff, but I just use flex wire. Works good for little projects and stuff. It can burn in. So we're going to tack weld this little base that we're working on. All right, keep me posted. This helmet's pretty slick, guys. You can set gradient and stuff like that. It's just a light little tack, just to hold it in place while I square it off. Just so. Those of y'all that don't know, I used to work as a welder in an industrial plant making salt buggies and coal mine buggies, and I was a certified welder back then. Not bad. Good enough for what I want. All right, I'm going to change the tip on this. I've had this one for a long time. It's gone through a beating. All right, we're going to change it out. They did send me those rubber feet. They sent me an extra one. Next day, it came in like fast. Great customer service. Kudos for Evolution on that. All right, guys, we got this piece all squared away where I want it. I don't want to set this saw back because I want to have my working area right here. So I move it back and I'm picking up some heavy pipe or something, it's going to be hard for me to, so I want my working area in this general area right here. So I move this way here where these are going to sit a little forward. In the back I'll have a little more space. It's all right. Guys, don't forget to check out these Vivor welding helmets. They come with the attachment for your GoPro, and then you can just click this button right there for grinding. It bypasses the screen, so it stays, light. Alright guys, so I like to square off this way. I can give myself a little bit of room. No sunlight. No sunlight. We are really good. I like using speed squares. Pretty much gets you on spot all the time. I eyeball down here, make sure that I am square. Alright, let's get her done. I'll tell you what guys, I did some little adjustments, put a different core, and man, it's a big difference now. Alright guys, I am cutting 3 or 4 of those right there. Those will be my dividers for my pipes. I'll show you in a while. Stand by. Here you go guys, stand that I made for my Evolution saw. So these things are going to have a little pipe where you can adjust them up and down a little bit. They're just being there temporarily, but these will slide in and out. 6 feet, so plenty of space. It's got the drawer so where I can put tools and so forth. I mean, I'm really pleased with this thing. I got the idea off a guy off of YouTube. I'll have his link underneath if you want to go check his build. But I really appreciate you guys. I'm really pleased. I brought this forward a little bit. I didn't want my saw centered because this way I can work right here. Easier to access. Let me take these things off here guys and show you something. So if I turn my saw, I can turn and follow the angle of my saw. See that? Pretty cool. All right guys, well, that's the stand. I'm really pleased with it. Turned out really nice. Rolling stand. Thanks for watching guys, appreciate all of y'all. Now this thing can be removed. I can put other saws on there if I'm cutting wood or whatever. I can put my miter wood saw there. So there it is. All right guys, thanks for watching. Works like a champ.